Oliver the Chick. It is snowing at the farm. Oliver the Chick wakes up. What a wonder! It's all white. Oliver has never seen snow. He is very excited and looks in amazement at the white flakes falling from the sky. It is very cold, so Oliver puts on a scarf and a hat. Now he is ready to play in the snow and he draws a sun with his little claws. The games have just begun. Oliver builds a sled with the shell of an egg and he goes down the mountain of hay. What great fun! Suddenly, he sees a strange man with an orange nose. Oliver, it's just a snowman. It's been a busy day. Oliver returns home to warm up around the fire and eat corn with his friend, the little mouse. Thank you for watching from Mama's Montessori.